Hey guys, we received this MARTISAN steam iron for test and try. This is the new version of mini steamer, powerful steam with the anti-calc or anti-drip, self-cleaning and the smooth non-stick sole plate. So let me just open this box and show it to you. So this comes in this protective box with the purple color. So you have a variable temperature options and the stable control. So you can see like the nice sole plate with the holes for the steam to pass. From the side the build is good, and then from the water inlet you can choose the stream, so self clean button and the temperature knob. So the grip is good, and this is the power cable. So let me just put in some water for the steam. So once this is done, we can just plug in and then increase the temperature so that this start working. I'm putting the steam to the max or the middle thing here, and I'm just putting it to the max. So this is for the water sprayer, as you can see, and then the steam jet. So I can adjust like the steam the base you want, and then also you can easily iron. So you can see like it is auto shut off after the temperature is raised, and then you can easily iron the cloth. So it is a nice wrinkle thing that it removes, as you can see. And then um, the steam is also coming with you can also use the water sprayer and the steam together. So basically a nice steam iron for the purpose with the steam burst button. So this is the nice iron, and that you can use for your daily purpose to iron your clothes. So I will recommend not to put it on the highest setting, just put it a little bit lower than the highest setting and then put it. So you can see on the corners thing, so helpful in removing the wrinkle. Ironing the clothes is easily handled, and the grip is good as well with the water spray and the steam burst. So I will say this is a nice steam iron overall, and this is the how this looks with the code and everything. So nice iron overall.